Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 McLaren Artura Motorhome is a stunning blend of British supercar DNA and modern traveling luxury. The elite explorer will experience McLaren's trademark performance in a bold, road-conquering motorhome. This RV rolls and roars thanks to a hybridized Artura 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 plug-in hybrid. The motorhome has a combined output of 950 horsepower and can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.3 seconds, which is unprecedented. Top speed, 160 miles per hour, electronic restriction, comfort, sport, track, and cruise drive modes. Precision handling with carbon ceramic brakes and active suspension. Despite its size, McLaren's carbon fiber architecture and lightweight design make it the most maneuverable RV on the road. Interior, race-inspired luxury. Race car styling and luxury are seamlessly integrated into the cabin. Digital dash with F1-inspired steering and drive-by-wire controls in cockpit. Alcantara and leather-wrapped carbon fiber lounge seating. Fold-out smart tables. McLaren orange ambient lighting in lounge. Memory foam queen bed with race-striped bedding and starlight headliner and sleeping quarters. Gourmet kitchenette, compact, functional, and stylish with titanium-trimmed equipment and minimalist surfaces. Futuristic bathroom, lightweight composites, touchless electronics, and walk-in shower. Even cabinetry hardware and lighting fixtures follow McLaren's function-first performance philosophy. McLaren Infotainment OS with real-time vehicle telemetry. HUD windshield with GPS overlay and POI projections. AI-powered climate and lighting system. Solar-assisted battery management. Satellite Wi-Fi and cloud-based media hub. Voice assistant synced with McLaren app ecosystem exterior design. Carbon aero body kit with aggressive side intakes and active rear diffusers. McLaren's signature dihedral door entrance. Hidden slide-out deck with racing-style outdoor seating. Artura Coupe-inspired LED lighting signature. Integration of hybrid braking and lightweight forged wheels. Its road presence is modern, beautiful, and uniquely McLaren. Price, structure, availability. Price beginning at $3.9 million USD. Global production restricted to 25 units. VIP McLaren ownership package includes private track days, Artura Supercar access, McLaren design team customization session, pros, exceptional motorhome performance, stunning external and aerodynamic functionality, unique motorsport-inspired interior, limited edition prestige, cons, price limit for ultra-high net worth buyers, limited cargo and off-road versatility, premium fueling and customized service required. Final decision. McLaren's 2026 Artura Motorhome is a unicorn, half supercar, part shelter. This machine fulfills your ideal of track day energy and open road adventure.